What up, y'all? Supposed to have a special delivery today. Me and Jimmy was working on another job and got a text and said something would be here in 45 minutes, so we had to quit that job and come down here. So now we're just sitting here waiting. Guys and girls, have y'all seen? She's here. Gosh, that thing's big. We're gonna help him get it unstrapped, and then I'm just like 2 miles up the road. I wanted him to drop it here, and that way I didn't have to worry about him winding through that narrow road I live on. So just make it easier on the driver. Fits on that trailer very good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna tell the driver he brought me the wrong truck. He may not be in the mood for that today. Alright y'all, we got her unstrapped. He's gonna walk her off there. If he won't do it or he wants us to do it. Let him do it. She fires right up. Really like them wide tires on that thing. Got to wait on the air pressure to build. This thing sounds very, very good. It may sling a rod going down the road to the house, but I don't hear any clicking and clacking in it. Sounds like it's got good compression. Old Pete sounded really good too coming down the highway. Maybe I'll find somebody to paint it for me, and maybe I can talk Bill Talkington into making me some stickers for it. Bill's probably had enough of me. Figure the first thing I'm gonna do for it is go through the air compressor, put new valves and reeds and stuff in it, and it seems wild to build air pressure, but they said these trucks are bad about building air pressure, so I don't know, it may just be part of it. She's on the ground. guys, Jimmy didn't want to drive it home, so I guess I will. Might be a little nerve-wracking here. Well, let's head to the house. I bet the locals around here is like, what is going on? Of the road I'm taking up, I can't see my mirrors. I do wish the temperature hand worked on it. Something else we're going to have to look at pretty quick. At least put a different kind of temperature gauge on it. Alright guys, we have made it to the house. Do good. Well, I'm gonna park this thing. Well, one thing, I gotta get used to this articulation. Get my mirrors fixed, I can't see nothing. All right guys, she is home. Much easier when that mirrors I can see. I got something leaking right here. It looks like hydraulic fluid spilling out. I'm gonna have to see what's going on with that. Said we wasn't really able to test it a whole lot up there, so there's no telling what I'm gonna find with it. It did have nearly a full gallon or a full tank of diesel, so that's a plus. So yeah, when we get home this evening, I'm sure I'll put Jimmy in it, let him run around the farm here, and we'll play with it and see what all's wrong with it. Well guys, I finally made it home this evening, and I've been excited to get home and play with this thing. I'm just going to look it over. I'm going to pressure wash it real good, try to get the rest of the mud and stuff out of it back there where they didn't get to it, because when I pull this thing in the shop and pull the tires and stuff off of it, I kind of don't want all that stuff kind of in my way. Like there's still a bunch of mud and stuff in here and all this stuff. I just want to get it cleaned up real good before I pull it in the shop and actually start working on this thing, because once we pull the tires off, it will be impossible to move around. And just look it over real well. The pups seem to like it so far. Karley and the boys are supposed to come this evening, and I think they're going to be excited to. I probably shouldn't wash it, because I'm sure they're going to want to ride in it, and we're going to take it down in the field and probably get it muddy, but oh well, I'll just wash it again, I guess. But like I said, I've been excited to get off work and come look at this thing. That's got to be cut off. We'll fix all that. I actually just bought a brand new plasma cutter, so that'll be perfect for that. Zip that off and get that straightened up. And yeah, the bed looks really good. Of course it's rusty, but I guess that's to be expected. Wonder if I can line this thing. Would y'all consider or suggest spraying this thing with something before I actually put it to use, or just use it and let the dirt slick it up? But maybe dirt won't collect in it or stick to it. So yeah, let's look this thing over. Well guys, Karley and the boys just pulled up. We're gonna get their first reaction of this thing. I can see how big it is compared to her Ford Explorer there. Beth, Rip, get back. What you think? Cool. It's big, ain't it?
Huge.
What do you think about it?
It's huge. I want to drive it.
That's what she said.
Baby, I want in that thing. Get up there. Oh, Karley, the tire's bigger than I am.
Bobo, what you think about it? Rip, Beth, go on.
When I said you're getting a dump truck, he said, Mr. Lindsay already bought me a dump truck. You get up there? You get on this one. Stand up. Don't hang on that.
You're gonna get oil and grease on you.
Golly.
What you think, Bobo?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We can fill that up with water and make it a swimming pool.
Yeah.
Come here.
Y'all want to ride in it?
Yes.
Let's go for a ride.
It's bigger in person than I thought.
All right, it's filming.
We got a seat just for the little ones.
Yeah.
Or for me.
Oh.
That scare you?
It didn't scare me.
Let the bed down.
Be on the bed, Bear.
I got it. I'm holding. I'm holding.
Hold on.
Here we go.
Oh! We're hitting Bubbo's head on the window.
All right, y'all, hold on.
Let it go.
We're going off-road.
What you think, Bub?
Come on, Bear.
These babies all around. If you got it stuck, how would you get it out? Oh shit! Try not to sideswipe the house there.
I don't think we're gonna be able to make it past them lollies right there.
Oh man. Surely this thing just run over, huh?
Good.
Bear, you gonna run this thing one day?
Yes. I will too.
What?
I will too.
You wanna operate the big truck, big dump truck? And let Bear do the excavator? Sound like a plan?
I need to do this one goes right at the
We've knocked this baby's head about 5 times. Every time he stops and goes, it hits Bo's head. It is not ride as smooth as a Cadillac, that's for sure.
Every time it sleeps, my head on it. Baby,
We ain't got brakes.
Oh my gosh. Well, if you need a tree taken down, just run this smooth into it, I guess. Are the pups liking it?
Yes. We're running together.
so much bread or we're gonna have to get a bigger seat back here.
That's a pretty tree. Oh, I like that tree. That tree.
Not with the flowers on it.
Pear tree.
Bird.
It's a pear tree.
Pear tree. Another pear tree. Another pear tree. Another one. Another one. They just don't stop.
Look at Rip. Yeah, did we go over her?
Shoot, I hope not. We got one pup. We don't know where the other one is.
It's right there.
Oh, there she comes. Coming in hot. That's the diva of the farm.
Don't run over him.
Oh
He keeps bumping me and bumping me. I'm gonna hit my head on this wood.
We sure couldn't have crossed that in the other dump truck.
Are you happy?
So far.
I'm happy.
You're living every little boy's dream right now.
We ain't put it to the test yet.
Well, look at that thing bumping Don't hit me everywhere.
Well, is Jimmy excited?
I think so. He didn't want to drive it.
He didn't. I figured he was chomping at the bit to get in it. Ooh.
Can I try?
Y'all hang on.
Said hang on. I don't even think the tree mech could get us out of this. Oh my gosh. You see those big ruts? Title this video, How to Get an Off-Road Haul Truck Stuck.
Yeah.
Okay. got this joker stuck, y'all. I don't know if you can really tell how deep the ruts are, but it is pretty deep. We're going up a good hill here, so I don't know if it's just how heavy the truck is or what. You telling him how to do it, Beth? Beth! She's trying to tell Daddy something. Come here, girl. Whoa. Okay, I know this video is not going to do this justice, but the tracks on these things, this didn't look like this before we got here, so we made a big muddy mess trying to get out of there, but he's headed back the other way, going to try to get it back up. But leave it to Lindsay to get stuck on the first day. What you think, pups? Thank you. Did you just work that hard to get it unstuck so you wouldn't have to call Rookie to come get you out?
It's about messed up taking off that log. It's got hard stuff on it.
Bobo, why'd you get that thing stuck?
I didn't know why.
We'll almost get. Okay. I don't know why his truck trusting me to help him drive when he knows I can't drive. It's the only way to get it back home at this point. Bear, no. Go that way just a little bit. Go that way. Okay, now come straight. I'm saying it like he can hear me. Oh, okay. He did it. Stuck again. Nope, baby, nope. Now, when I started dating Lindsay, I did tell him I've never met anybody with worse luck than him. So every time he tries to take this turn, it just slides right back into that rut. baby. What happened?
Well, I think our lockers don't work, and our transmission quit shifting out of gear once it got hot, so we may have a lot of issues. Well guys, it's been a couple days later. It's rained nearly every day this week. Got something on my camera. Old big girl, she's still sitting here. I raised that bed up that evening when we was out here playing around on it, and it hasn't leaked down any, and that was Wednesday, and today is Saturday, so I think that's a good sign. I said that I didn't think the lockers were working and all that, but going back and editing the video and looking at it, the footage Karley filmed, I could see all wheels pulling at times, and I did forget there's a locking foot switch, I believe, and I forgot all about that thing, so I never tried that. I was just in there pushing buttons, so I still don't know how that really works. I'm just gonna have to read the manual because the buttons are missing the illustration, I guess. So, but yeah, one good thing when I was editing, I did see all, or at least on one side, all three tires pulling at one time, especially when I was stuck over here. The dozer's got to go to a job tomorrow, hopefully, if it'll quit raining. Like I said, it's rained nearly every day since Wednesday. Y'all, I got over here and made an absolute mess. I hope that truck does a little bit better when it's got some weight on it, but I mean, y'all could see I would just get right here and I would slide down, which I did push all this dirt over here a while back, so it's just all a bunch of loose topsoil, and I made a very big mess down there in the bottom, but it ain't no big deal. I was wanting to get in the dozer and get all this cleaned up before it rained, but that didn't happen, so it's standing with water. But anyway, I want to try to get the 313 home tomorrow too, and that way I can get out here and start cleaning some of this stuff up, and we can really try this truck out with a load in it and just play around with it some more. So that'll be an upcoming video of us actually using the truck, but so far I'm happy with it. We had a ball in it. Of course, there's still, I'm sure it's still going to have some gremlins pop up here and there. Who knows? We'll get started on the brakes as soon as we try it out, I guess, some more. I really want to get 313 home and maybe haul a couple loads of dirt and stuff and just play around with it a little bit more before I pull the wheels off. And also, I'm hoping it's in the mail right now. I had to order a different manual. The manual I ordered online, which was an e-manual, it's only a service manual pretty much. I needed a parts manual, that way when I pull this stuff off and go to order some stuff, I actually have a part number and I know what I'm looking at. So I hope that is in the mail. Actually, I'm about to go check that. So anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all let me know what you think about the truck. We still got to give it a name, so y'all throw some suggestions in there, and I might let the boys pick out what they like. So yeah, let's name this big girl. Is it a guy or a girl? I do like a girl with a big dump truck. So anyway, y'all keep your eyes open. I'll see you later.